Welcome to Find Home Remedies. The incredible health benefits of oregano oil. Are you tired of relying on chemical-filled remedies for your health problems? Look no further, because nature has a gift for you. Today, we're uncovering the incredible health benefits of a humble herb that you may already have in your kitchen. That's right, we're talking about oregano oil. From fighting respiratory infections to soothing digestive issues, this natural solution is packed with powerful health benefits that you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secret of oregano oil. When it comes to natural remedies, oregano oil is a true powerhouse. With its potent combination of anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, oregano oil benefits are extensive and incredibly effective. Whether you're dealing with respiratory infections, digestive issues, or skin conditions, oregano oil can be a game changer. Let's take a closer look at some of the incredible health benefits that this natural home remedy solution has to offer. Oregano oil for respiratory infections. Oregano oil's antimicrobial properties make it an effective home remedy for respiratory infections, such as bronchitis, pneumonia, and sinusitis. To use it, simply add a few drops of oregano oil to a diffuser. Or mix it with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, olive oil, or sweet almond oil. Next, massage it onto your chest. In no time, you'll be breathing easier and feeling better. Oregano oil for digestive issues. Oregano oil can help improve digestion and soothe digestive issues, such as bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. To use it, add a few drops of oregano oil to a glass of water and drink it. Say goodbye to digestive discomfort, and hello to a happy tummy, with oregano oil. Oregano oil for skin conditions. Oregano oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation, making it an effective treatment for certain skin conditions such as eczema and acne. To use it, mix oregano oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected area. Or add a few drops to your daily moisturizer. Say goodbye to red, irritated skin and hello to clear, healthy skin with oregano oil. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many ways that you can use oregano oil as a home remedy to improve your health. So why not give this natural home remedy a try, and experience its incredible benefits of oregano oil for yourself? So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of oregano oil. And if you're wondering where you can get your hands on this natural solution, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've included some links in the description below to help you find the best oregano oil for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to enjoy more home remedies. Let's try spread the word about the amazing health benefits of oregano oil. Thanks for watching.